Okay, Jen's last good target.
Yeah!
Nice. First shot.
What else should I shoot? I'm gonna try for those milk jugs.
That hurt for some reason?
Yeah, I don't think I had it set properly. Fine. Is my last one?
I think so.
Got too close to shoot that black box.
A little too close.
Maybe that box. I'm just gonna shoot it into the distance. Awesome!
Alright, now I'm gonna reload it for her, and she's gotta shoot it gangster style with one hand.
One shot gangster style.
Yeah. I'll just load one in there for you.
Okay. Watch out.
No, just hold it out.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
It's too
Get a good
heavy.
grip on it.
It's too heavy. Oh. Dog life.